The given fraction has decimals in numerator and denominator. Can you convert it into a fraction with only whole numbers in numerator and denominator? The numerator is a decimal with 3 decimal places, whereas the denominator is a decimal of 2 decimal places. To remove decimals, we choose the one with more decimal places, which is 3. To remove 3 decimal places, we multiply by 10 to the power of 3, or 1000. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by 1000, we get 433 by 32,770.
And that is our answer.
Where is this important? Well, decimals in fraction can lead to confusion while reducing the fraction or in other calculations. It is often easier to deal with whole numbers in the fraction.